Hey guys, how are you all?
Today we have come
We are
to
here at
Algonquin
Algonquin Park, exploring the fall colors around us.
3.5 rounds.
Yeah, so it was 3 hours drive from home, and it took a bit longer. And now we are at Highway Corridor 60, exploring the area. So stay with us. We'll take you around. So Algonquin was always recommended by family or friends or the famous Facebook groups or online to see the fall colors. So this year we decided to go there, and unfortunately or fortunately you will say, it was a lot of rain expected in the weather. So we were a bit skeptical at the first, but we decided to go anyway. And to tell you, it was wonderful. The colors you will be able to see there in the video as well. It was beautiful. The fog, the drizzle, it was just amazing. So we enjoyed it. It reminds me of my birthplace, Nainital, where I was born, and I have, hiked in all of these weathers in my childhood as a young girl, and it was fantastic to see all the colors and the natural wonders together with the lakes and natural hues. So enjoy with me, guys. Let me know how you like it. Algonquin, I am not ready to say it properly. Algonquin Provincial Park for you guys here. Enjoy with me. So we booked Highway Corridor 60 pass ahead of time 5 days ago. And when we reached there, we were told there were no passes available. It was all booked. We went through each stop to visit, and we have seen some wonderful stops on the way. So this is the next stop. We are trying to stop at every point on the way on Highway Corridor 60. And this is Smoke Lake. So beautiful around. Can you see the colors? Whoa, so beautiful. See behind me? This is Canoe Lake. We could actually take a canoe and go for a ride. But then I don't know how to do that. Yeah, and we decided to take our tea out, which we got from home. And it's nice, drizzling, and then we are enjoying our tea. Hello! Walking trail. So we keep, hiking around our neighborhood at Conservation Halton's Park. So not really interested to do hiking here, but yeah, we just explored a little bit. It is okay. Some more lakes, but we are here for fall, so let's enjoy that. Here we go, another lake. So somebody is trying to fish here. We're not allowed to do it with a hook, and we are not like really fishing here, just testing and having a little fun. Not going to hurt the fishes. So the camping trip, we had these tarps and some covers here. So we used them today, and to have just a small picnic here. We got some food from home, and we stopped at the picnic basket, and now we're going to have some food here. There are some wonderful trails along the lake, and along Highway Corridor 60 you can take. Lake of Two Rivers. Nice picnic areas here. We should have actually come here to eat. Look at that, so beautiful. The trees behind me are really, into fall colors right now. Very good sight. Really lovely here at Algonquin. So the lookout trail was recommended by the office staff when we entered the park, and it was amazing. Have a look. Hey guys, hi again. The lady at the west gate told us that we should definitely check out the lookout trail. So here we are. It's about 1.9 kilometers to go up, and beautiful scenery on the way. Let's see. I'm kind of tired now since morning, so let's check out the view here. Here we are. the Lookout Trail, and it looked beautiful. Just show you how it looks. So many people here. It was the busiest of all, I believe. While walking up and down, it felt like nature has made their own red carpet for us, like a celebrity, and we were just hiking on them, walking on those trails, you know, admiring those natural falls and everything. It was so beautiful, you know. I'm really grateful and very, very thankful that we got a chance. Right now we are going from the west gate, east gate towards the west gate, and hey guys, hello from Minden. So we finished Algonquin. It was raining in the morning, and when we reached, we left home at 5:30, and then we reached early. Luckily for us, there was no rush, but it was raining so hard. Not hard, once in a while, on and off. We enjoyed. We stopped at a couple of, you know, stops there, and it was fun. We had quite good fun. And for the night, we are here at the Minden village. There is a small place here, and then we're just staying here for the night, and it's so beautiful here, having fun. So there's Dominion Hotel. We're going to explore more here in Minden. Hey guys.
So overall, this was a great hotel. There's like a DVD player, DVD library, book library. So overall, it was great. It was fishing.
So somebody is becoming a travel blogger more than me now, and he was really happy here. They could watch some movies. Small hotel, but really nice. Dominion Hotel in Minden. I keep saying Milton. And
Outdoor
then,
dining. Great
yeah,
food.
there was outdoor dining as well.
Great food.
Yeah, great food. So we had dinner here tonight and rested well for the night, and now we are leaving home. So there we go. Algonquin trip ends here. So I hope you like this video, enjoy the fall colors like we did, and we'll see you with another video soon.
Peace out.
Peace out.